Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use AI to generate well-converting and click-worthy Google Ads copy and Google Ad headlines. Alright, so if you want to generate high-converting copy for the description section of your Google Ads and high-converting copy for your Google Ad headlines, and use AI for that. One of the best options is to use Jasper AI, which is one of the most advanced AI generation tools out there currently. And if you haven't used Jasper AI before, I have a 5-day free trial link in the description below that you can check out. And once you sign up for Jasper AI, all you have to do is on the left click on templates and search for Google here. And as you can see, they have 6 Google templates, but 4 of them are for Google My Business. Offer, post, event post, and description. So in this case, we want to use these Google Ads templates here. So first, let's generate Google Ads headlines. Then we would generate Google Ads description. So let's select Google Ads headline here. Then first, we have to add the company or product name. So in this example, I'm gonna use Monday.com, which is a very popular CRM software. Then we have to add a product description so the AI can understand what this product is all about, and then generate us Google Ad headlines. So I have pasted this product description here. As you can see, you have up to 800 characters, so make sure to add any important details you want the AI to understand what your product is all about. Then add a ton of voice. Let's add I really like excited here, so people are excited to click on our Google Ad copy. Then you can also add examples, so Jasper AI can understand what kind of outputs you want it to generate. So let's say start your free Monday.com account today. So as you can see, I have added 2 examples. Then all we have to do is click on generate. As you can see, you can also change the input and output language, but in this case, let's generate some English outputs here. So as you can see, it has generated us 2 Google Ad headline examples. So simplify your work with Monday.com, get more done with Monday.com. I like both of them actually. So you can use these to add to your Google Ads account, but you can also generate more if you don't like the ones that it has generated first. All right, it has repeated itself. So let's click on generate one more time. So as you can see, it has come up with new Google Ad headlines example. Then next, we can also create, as we have seen, Google Ads copy or Google Ads description for Google Ads. And we have to basically add similar inputs here. So a product name, a description, and some examples, but examples are not necessary. So if you click on generate here, it will generate some Google Ads description for us. So as you can see, Monday.com is the ultimate work management platform that helps teams of all sizes streamline their workflow, collaborate seamlessly, and manage complex projects effectively. Really good one, but if you don't like it, just click on generate and it will generate you even more. Right, so this is how to use basically the Google Ads AI templates in Jasper AI to generate well-converting and click-worthy Google Ads headlines and description for your Google Ads copy. As I mentioned, if you want to try Jasper AI, you can use the link in the description below to get a 5-day free trial, and you can also check out other tutorials on Jasper AI on my YouTube channel here that I will also link it right here.